Hello everyone, in this video we learn how to create a web app using Laravel. This time we can make a web app with a case study of a learning management system. So let's go. First, go to the Laravel documentation. Laravel code documentation and click the version of Laravel. This is version 11 or latest version. Then click deployment. Next, click the server requirement. In this server requirement, Laravel framework has a few system requirements. You should ensure that your web server has the following minimum PHP version and extension. PHP version minimum is 8.2 with site type PHP extension curl DOM PHP file info filter PHP hash PHP MB string OpenSSL PCRA PDO PHP session tokenizer XML PHP extension. Then click installation and select the create a Laravel project. Before you create your first Laravel project, make sure that your local machine has PHP and Composer installed. If you are developing on Mac OS or Windows, PHP Composer, Node, and NPM can be installed in via minute via Laravel. So when you use OS macOS, you must using the Laravel. When you don't have a composer before it, you must be visit to getcomposer.org/download and download the composer setup exe. Then, after you install composer, you might create a new Laravel project via Composer with command Composer create project Laravel example app. Now next, Laravel using the database. In the database default by MySQL or SQLite. Now when you don't have MySQL before, you can download the Laragon. Why Laragon? Laragon is universal development environment. It has many features to make you more productive. Laragon include Apache 2.4 server, Engine 8, MySQL 8, PHP 8, Redis, Memcache, Node.js, NPM, and Git. So you should download Laragon full in this web laragon.org/download. Now you open the text editor. My text editor is Visual Studio Code, and let's go make the Laravel web app project. Before it, I want to change the directory. I want to change my project directory to cd. Now this directory in DevOps freelance project. Now let's install the Laravel with command composer create project Laravel example app. Copy this and pass to it. Change the project name to LMS project. LMS app. Now composer can download Laravel to your local composer. Wait it the process. This process using internet, so your internet must a fast or stable connection. Okay, Laravel successful download it. Now we change the Visual Studio Code to directory Laravel. Now select your Laravel directory with click File, Open Folder, and select the directory. Now this my directory is lms app. Select folder. Now if the directory success to open, then click the env file, and next step we want to change the DB connection from SQLite to MySQL with the you follow my step. First you uncomment the DB host, DB port, DB database, DB username, and DB password. Now in DB connection, change the SQLite with MySQL. Now it's okay. Then you change the DB database to LMS app DB with username and root and password default empty. Now you can save this file. Next step, you open the Laravel. Open the Laravel, then start MySQL service and log in to HeidiSQL. Now this configuration, ADSQL network type is MariaDB using TCP or IP. Host name localhost or 127.0.0.1. Username root, password empty, port 3306. Then click open. Now this window is ADSQL. You must create a new database with right click and now click create new database and fill the name of database with lms x_db with collection UTF-8 MB4 general CI. Now click OK. Database created successfully. So we want to try running the Laravel apps with common PHP Artisan Search. Now server running on localhost port 8000. Open the browser and type the localhost with IP address 127.0.0.1 port 8000. Enter. Now Laravel is running successfully. In this, I have something of error message. In this error, base table or view not found, table LMS app DB session doesn't exist. This error because I'm not running the database migration before. Now we want to try run the database migration with command PHP Artisan migrate. Now Laravel creating user table, user case table, and user jobs table. Now let's check in the ADSQL, refresh, and now we have a few tables: case table, case log table, file jobs table, job dates table, migration table, password token table, session table, and user table. Now let's refresh the browser. Okay, Laravel successfully to running in your local machine. Now in the next video, we want to try design database of learning management system. So see you in the next video.